In this video, I will show you how to use Mostbet app in Pakistan. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to your promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. And what you have to do is to come over here. So this is the home page. Now there are many things you can do on Mostbet. You can deposit money by just clicking the plus button. Once you click here, is the plus button here, and go ahead and deposit money. Or you can play games. You can come over to real games like aviator games, e-sport, poker, and so on. Or you can bet on live matches. So there are live matches that you can bet on, like the ones that are currently going on here. So there's the Colombia Serie A, and you can choose which one to bet on, or you can bet on pre-game. So you go over to pre-game, they're going to show you the matches that are upcoming in the nearest future. So that you can click on football and they're showing the various Champions League matches that are coming up in the nearest future. And that's how to use Mostbet app in Pakistan.